Hair loss. Many a times is a result of nutritional deficiency and can be controlled by adding the right foods to your diet. Here are 11 nuts and seeds to nourish your hair and stop hair fall. Pumpkin seeds. They are packed with essential minerals like zinc, copper, magnesium, selenium, and calcium. These tiny seeds help prevent hair thinning caused by excess testosterone. Walnuts. They serve as a natural remedy to boost hair growth. These nuts are a rich source of antioxidants and fatty acids that can stimulate dormant hair follicles and fortify them to produce stronger and fuller hair growth. Flax seeds. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which can stimulate better blood circulation in the scalp and prevent hair follicle inflammation. Sunflower seeds. They are a rich source of gamma-linolenic acid, a potent nutrient that can help deep condition your hair strands, making them more soft, shiny, and luscious. Almonds. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that can help promote better hair growth and prevent dandruff and hair damage. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with zinc and copper, two essential minerals that work together to nourish your hair and keep it healthy. Coconut. It is a natural hair care solution that can help enrich the quality of your hair. Its high-fat content allows it to deeply condition and nourish hair strands. Sesame seeds. These are rich in iron and fatty acids, which can nourish your hair roots and trigger new hair growth. Hemp seeds. Packed with omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, hemp seeds promote healthy hair growth. These seeds enhance blood circulation in the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth and nourish the hair roots. Pistachio. Rich in biotin, pistachios can help combat hair loss and nourish dry hair, making strands more flexible and less prone to breakage. Fenugreek seeds. It contains compounds that slow down the ability of DHT to attach to hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth and prevent further hair loss.